Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you how you can get an extra 3 months of Surfshark for free. So if you go ahead and click on Get Surfshark VPN, I was just on their homepage there, you'll see this is kind of the standard offer that comes up, which is certainly a great deal. But if you click on down here where it says coupon applied, click right here, you'll see Shark Start. This is the standard coupon that comes up. And as a result, the amount you'll pay is $47.76 billed every 24 months. Again, great deal. But if you go ahead and paste in consumer research, and I'll put this coupon down in the description, and then click apply. Now you can see you're still billed the same amount, $47.76, but you're billed it every 27 months. So you get an extra 3 months of Surfshark for free. And so yeah, feel free to take advantage of that if you like. Surfshark is absolutely one of my favorite VPNs. It's my favorite budget VPN for sure. You get great speeds. The speeds are almost as fast as Express, and Express costs quite a bit more. It's great for torrenting. It's great for streaming, unblocking Netflix. Downsides are that it doesn't have maybe as many servers. So if you like to connect to a lot of servers around the world, like say maybe for gaming purposes, you would just want to check at where the servers are connected first. But it works absolutely fabulously. It's easy to use, great customer service, great for newbies because it's very much like a one-click VPN. You don't have to worry about any setting not being checked, like if you're torrenting or something like that, and you're going to be vulnerable because you didn't have the right protocol or the right setting checked or not checked. Again, very straightforward, very easy to use. So it's kind of like the I don't say no frills. They have some features that even that you don't get except with like Express or Nord, like with split tunneling kind of a thing. But overall, fabulous VPN. I would highly recommend it. It's just if you need a lot of servers, you may want to go with another VPN instead. But otherwise, feel free to take advantage of this great deal. Like I said, I'll put the coupon down in the description below. And if I find a better deal or get a better coupon to pass along to you guys, I'll put that down in the description and we'll update it accordingly. But if you have any other questions about this or about Surfshark or other VPNs, feel free to let me know in the comments as well. Otherwise, thanks so much for your time, you guys. I really appreciate it. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.